What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a near unraidable base in CityRP on Icefuse. As you can see, I just got a brand new base here. Pretty empty, there's nothing in it. So first of all, I'm just going to put a building outside so we don't get raided. Alright, so first things first. There's a lot of general props you're going to use, and the one-way props, and fading doors and buttons, so that's pretty much everything that you're going to need. I'll write down everything in the description below on all the props that you're going to need, just so that you can look them up in the search bar up here just in case. So what you're going to want to get is this long prop right here. It's called Cube 05 by 4 by 05, and you're going to put it over here right next to flush with your door here, wherever it is. Somewhere next to your door where it confines them in a space. I mean, you could always put one on the other side as well, depends on what kind of door you have. But I'm going to go ahead and stack this up. I'm going to go up. Oops. Get this out of, yep, and then we're going to go, let's see, this way is front, so we're going to go back. So that does that. It makes a little tunnel like this. You're going to go material. I'm going to do black because it's pretty hard to tell like where the fences are that you can shoot through. And I'm going to go ahead and this is one of the cool parts. So you're going to grab a fence. In this case, this is the smallest one, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. You're going to put your fence down. And since on this server you can have 4 fading doors to a base, or 4 keypads, I mean, I'm going to go ahead and put 4 fences down. And the reason I'm putting fences down is because you can shoot through them. So, put this last one here. Alright. Now, you're going to want to remove this wall right here. You don't have to materialize it right now, but I mean it's pretty simple to see. But if you want to see it better, you don't have to materialize it, and you can see it better, but I just know where it is. And I'm going to go ahead and material all these black. Alright. Actually, I'm going to material the 2 middle ones clear. And then we take the one-way props, flip them around because the material is always the dark side on the front. So I'm going to materialize that black. I'm going to put this right here. This way people can't see in. Alright, that looks good. And I'm going to stack this. It's going to go left, probably 2 or 3 to the left. That looks perfect. Now, I'm going to go fading door. We're going to do these real quick. Let's go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Doesn't matter what your keybinds are. That's not really a necessity, but that's just what I do. You're going to go 5, 6, and 7. You're going to go to buttons. You're going to go 5, which is already preset to that. Make sure you don't have toggle mode on unless you want to, because then if you push toggle mode, put a button down, you push it and it keeps open, you got to push E again. I don't like toggle mode because then I can just hold it down and close it when I want to. So I'll do that. Let's do 6 and 7. So as you can see, opens all those. And then we're going to go put our keypads down now. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Access granted 4. Going to put that right here. We're going to start coming out of the base here. Just put it on this side of the wall so you can shoot them if they're facing this way or their keypad cracking. You can shoot them in the back. Let's go 3. and 2, and 1. Go ahead and open this up. So I don't know why, but for some reason it opened my door the wrong way, so I guess it's just gonna have to stay open like this. Depends on what kind of base you have. Alright, and I'll put the keypad right there. Alright, so they can see in right now, but this is a pretty OP base. They go in, they can't see you. You're going to go in here. I'm actually going to build one more part. This isn't a necessity. As you can see, when they're keypad cracking, you open this up, you shoot them. Open this up, you shoot them. You open this up, you shoot them. The fences are completely not bulletproof. You can shoot through them. So I'm actually going to make a little barrier here so that people can't shoot you back. So basically what you're going to want to do is take these 2 roadblocks. It actually doesn't necessarily, like, it's not necessary that you need these exact props, but this is just the ones that I use because they're easiest for me. And you're going to make it where it's just above to where you can shoot out of. So right about there. I'm going to go ahead and lift this one up so that it's a tiny little crack. Just like so. Alright, I'm going to put this over here. Alright, so as you can see, it's a tiny little crack. You can make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go like there. Actually, I'll go like there. That should be fine. This way, when they're trying to shoot you back, they have a tiny little hitbox they can shoot you. You can always put something on the bottom so they can't shoot your feet, but I doubt they're going to shoot your feet. So you can literally just shoot right through there and kill them also. So it's a pretty OP base. That's just a really hard base to get into. Also a base for one person. It works perfectly fine for one person. You could always set up a camera right here and see right through if there's someone's trying to raid you. It's like you go like this, go to camera, push numpad 1, there I am. And yeah, so you can basically just see anyone that's trying to raid you. It's pretty cool. It's pretty secure, I would say. There's always bigger ones you can make, and you can always put a fence on top so you can shoot from the top too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you a little bit. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.